As you can see, we have a lot of herbs here. My viewers and subscribers, this is where I get my sea moss from. So if you need sea moss, right here in the market house here, Miss Bones. Wild tobacco.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay.
Please, don't stop until you find bones. Remember, money is not all, but it's the love of the people.
So come and get anything you want. Everything is here. So don't be afraid to visit Miss Bone inside the market here. Charles Garden Market. All right.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hurt.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to another episode, my viewers and subscribers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Okay, at this time I'm in the Montego Market House and I'm with Mrs. Bones, or Bones, you know what I mean? She have a lot of herbs here, as you can see. So, my viewers and subscribers, before we go anywhere, I'm going to show you what's going on here. She have a lot of things here, my viewers. Stick around, let me show you what's going on, alright? Okay, my viewers, this stall over here is her mom's stall. And as you can see, we have a lot of herbs here. A lot of herbs, my viewers. Yeah, we have some basket over here. We have some calabash here. Whoa. Alright, my viewers, if you want the sea moss, this is where I get my sea moss. Alright, my viewers. We have what is this again? Whoa, put in the porridge. What is this again, man? It slipped me. I guess this is salt we have here. Corn. Tambourine. Oh, this is cinnamon leaf. Alright? Yeah. Whoa, there's a lot of things. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, this is where I get my sea moss from. So if you need sea moss, right here in the market house here, Miss Bones. Alright? We call her Miss Bones, but most people say Bones. She also have molasses here. Other things are here same way. Yeah, she have peanut here, turmeric, as you can see. Yeah, there's a lot of things she have here. Pat, she have also food here. Yeah, fruits, anything you want, you name it, you know, she have it here, as you can see. Whoa, everything is here, my viewers. Everything is here, my viewers. Everything is here, my viewers. Herbs from top to bottom. Yeah, yeah, my viewers. Lot of pots. We have papaya. Yeah.
Jesus!
What is that now? We have
Where you come from?
plant in here.
Where went there? The same basket. No, me can't take it in a basket. Jesus, you didn't.
We have mango here. Sweet potato, tomato, June plum. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Miss Bones style. Pimento seed. My God. Yeah, as you can see, a little piece of sea moss here. Yeah, aloe vera is here. Aloe vera is here. My viewers, as you can see here, there are so many herbs and barks. Yeah, health benefit. All right. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. There are a lot of herbs here for the human body. Sarsaparilla. Alright. So yes, my viewers, stick around. We're gonna talk to Miss Bones next. To tell her what's going on. Alright. We have ginger over here. Ginger, beautiful ginger. Alright, we have pumpkin here. Chocho. Alright. Yes, my viewers. We have some nice boat spoon here for the soup pot. Alright. Yes, my viewers. She have everything here. Okay. Can I call her Mrs. Bones or just Bones? No, just Bones.
Just Bones.
Okay, Bones. How long you have been in the market here selling?
This area?
Yes. Oh, you have an next area where?
No, I was outside before this part. This part opened.
Okay.
The outside, and eventually I'm in here from 2012 at this location.
Okay.
So I've been here.
Yes.
Quite a while, over 10 years.
Okay.
And this location.
Yes. I can see you have a lot of herbs inside here. Can you name 2 of the herbs you have inside here?
Sure, over here.
Whoa.
Alright. This is one of my favorite herbs, sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla, yeah.
This is a herb that gives you iron.
Right.
This is it. And we use it in our tonic very often.
Alright.
Yeah, very often because it gives you iron and everybody needs iron.
Yes,
it doesn't matter male or female,
true.
everybody.
It is just like the sea moss.
Yes.
Yeah.
It has iron in it, so we could use it in our tonics, and we could use it to make tea, or you could use it to make sarsaparilla tonic, or along with other herbs to make a better tonic.
Yeah.
Which I have some boiled over here. In this bottle right here.
Okay.
Along with some cheney root.
Yeah.
Chambak.
Yeah.
Sarsaparilla, ramoon, donkey weed, a wide variety of stuff is in this. Chiganit, I also put some chiganit in it, and I'm trying to search all the ingredients.
Yeah. so what is this good for now?
It's a tonic that
It's a
clean
tonic.
and build the body.
Okay.
Jamaican and a whole their life, their tonics, especially male. But remember, the ladies cannot let the male outrun them.
True.
So
have to take something
strong too to back up ourselves.
Okay, that's true. So suppose someone would like to get a bottle of that or get some herbs. Do you have a number?
Sure. My number is 1876.
Yes.
Here's my area code. 446-3268. I repeat, 1876-446-3268. A lot of sixes in my number.
Okay.
So you can contact me if you want one of these tonic. It's very good.
Yeah.
Clean and build your body, and it's good for stimulation and make you very energetic around the house and workplace or wherever you go.
Awesome, Miss Moon. Yeah. I can see you have a lot of pots here.
Yes.
Whoa.
Because,
And Dutchies.
these pots are traditional pots, but these are not from the older time, but the culture is still here and the materials are still here that makes these pots, but these are modern made.
Yes.
Some people keep asking for the older made, but remember, as time goes by, every day we got new things that come in and some people bypass some. But the Dutch chip and a whole, the mold and so on, they're still here.
Right.
But these are some good pots and it will eat very long. So if you're a person that running a big business, a small business, or even cooking at home and you want to keep your food warm, these are so thick. I think they could keep eating it for upward to an hour.
Okay,
Very
perfect.
strong pot.
So you're here right through the week, like from Monday to Saturday?
Yes, I'm here weekdays.
Oh, okay.
So in case if you are interested in your pots,
Yes.
you can come along and spoon and so on.
Right.
Spoon and Philippines.
Fruits is here. You have the boat spoon. I see you have a lot of boat spoon, boat fork. Yeah. You even have it in metal.
Yes, because you have sometimes the length that customer wants, we can hardly get it in the metal.
Oh, okay.
So we go the extra miles and try to get them in wooden one also.
Right.
So it's
Right.
very good.
Right.
And you know, sometimes they don't want their hand to get burned, or so the pots are very big, and these are so small, short. So we have the taller ones,
Yeah.
much taller than this. So if you prefer the taller one, I'll work with whatever you want.
Okay, I understand. Okay, Miss Bones, thank
But
you.
yeah, I have some cultural group. I'm a cultural person.
Oh.
I like things that
Oh.
from the past. You know, most people go in with the plastic brooms and so on.
Yes.
But even at my home right now, these are the brooms I have at home, but
Right.
they are better.
Yeah, the best.
Yes, the best. You could use this one inside, more refined for
Yeah.
inside sweeping. This one is for outside sweeping. That
Oh, it have a rougher.
stones and
Yes.
more dirt is on the outside.
Yes.
So
And you have some
and
greater here.
graters, cultural graters. and
Right.
These are made from galvanized material.
Okay.
These material won't get rust easily.
Yeah.
It's very lasting and they are very sharp. So you have to take your time by using this grater. And they are various in size and prices. So
Right.
once you come in, I'll give you the price range, and they are very affordable.
Right. So when you have something like a grater like this, no, you don't need a blender, right?
No, but you know, some people like to blend their smoothies and
Yes,
so on.
yes.
But these are mostly for gratering. I like to grater because if I'm making some pineapple juice, I just get my pineapple and rub it on my grater along with a small piece of ginger or some cantaloupe. I like those three,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
orange.
Yeah.
So I just rub it on my grater, get my little strainer and strain it off. But if you are doing smoothie like banana, papaya and so on, then you know you definitely need a blender.
I understand.
So it varies. I remember I'm a cultural person, so I prefer the culture.
Right. Yes, I understand. Okay, Miss.
Let's plant the aloe vera.
Yes, aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Yeah.
Please take your aloe vera if you're having
What is
pain.
this? Again.
This is a scoop.
Oh.
This is a scoop used for if you are measuring flour.
Flour, yeah.
There are people that comes inside and they want a scoop.
Okay.
Me in the marketplace, I use it for spice, like my jerk seasoning.
Okay.
You know, my seasonings are very nice. I'm going to show you further down.
Yeah.
Then I use this to scoop up my season, pour it in the bag, wait and then tie out or doing your peas.
Yes.
And this, you know, it's a traditional scoop.
Right.
If you notice, it's made from galvanized material, not easy to rust.
Dangerous,
And
yeah.
so,
Okay, you have a lot of things here, man. Yeah, these are you planting them? Irish potato.
no.
Okay,
I don't
very
really
big.
do much farming. I buy and sell to make a living.
Okay, I understand.
Because I have to be here and to have people to work on the farm. You have to do your own business and you have to maintain your own business and watch your own business.
Right.
Because you have to monitor your thing for yourself.
Perfectly.
Nobody do your thing as best as you.
Perfectly, Miss Bones.
Right.
Perfectly. Yeah, perfectly. My God. Wow. The cocoa. Yeah, pimento seed.
Yes.
Yeah.
And these are very fat.
Right.
These are
Yeah, very big. Yeah.
You know, it's another cultural spice.
Right. To go on meat.
You could do it in your jerk. What's up?
Yes,
Your
Rastafari.
jerk. Spicing if you're a person that eats pork. I know this is nice on pork. And it's nice in anything that you put in. Even doing your rice and peas, you could use a few grains in the rice and peas. Not too much because it gives a nice flavor, but it also takes away the flavor
Yes.
if you add
If it's
too
too
much in there. So
Okay.
just grind it up or even throw the seeds in, and once you're sharing it, just take the seeds out.
Okay.
If you have the time. And if you are doing like some sorrel and a whole, you could have
Yes,
some pimento
yes, yes,
seeds in
yes.
there. A wide variety of things you could do with
Yeah,
it.
because I guess it's good for a preservative.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I mentioned sorrel. because
Right,
pimento-
right.
Pimento seeds. in
Yes.
there.
It's on the ginger.
Yes.
Good preservative. Yeah. Okay.
And you have other benefits.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot. You have a whole lot of things here, Miss Bones.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And if you notice, I have my summer jack over here.
Yeah, summer jack. Okay. So wait. What is special about the summer jack? Because
Alright,
mostly
remember-
church have it,
Alright, remember, I'm doing a business.
and you have it in different sizes.
Yes, because sometimes you have people comes in and they want some cultural things, and you know the church people they want it.
Yes.
And they have new members that come in and they definitely want. So I am here doing business and I buy and sell to make a living. So whatever
Yes.
item
Yes.
I could get to make a living from to get the profit to run my business, then I'll definitely go the extra mile and get them in.
I understand. The
So
summer jack.
people want them for different use.
Yeah.
Alright, and this is what
The
it looks
summer
like.
jacks. That one is a big one.
Yes.
My God.
We want the big ones.
Okay. My God, the summer jacks.
And my measuring plans. These
Oh.
are measuring
Oh
plans.
yes. I remember that one.
You see, these are cultural things.
Right.
So like students having their Jamaican day.
Right. At school.
The younger children now they are using like kilometers and meters and liters and so on.
Yeah.
So we have different size of pans to show them, and sometimes teachers come in the marketplace to get some of the things on Jamaica Day and Cultural Day for the children. Then
Yeah. Right.
trying to find the bigger one and to name them for you. But I didn't expect you at all.
Okay.
For this is the interview I sort of prepared for you, but today is one of my busiest days.
I understand.
But eventually you come in, nothing is done before the time.
Right. It's Jamaican farmers, all right?
Right. Trying to find the correct time to show.
Okay. Yes, my viewers. Anything you want, you can check Miss Bone here at the Montego Bay Market House. It was what was on the sign again?
It's Charles Garden Market.
Yes, Charles Garden Market.
Market. And I'm right at the gate.
Yeah, she's right at the front here. Yeah.
When you through your look, take a cap off the picture of the sign.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find the bigger can, but I don't see it.
I'll do it
So
the
that's
first
amazing.
thing.
Alright,
Okay.
over here we have the half pint can.
Yes, half pint.
We have, let us start first. I have the pint can.
Right.
I can't find the quart. The quart is much
Bigger than that.
this. So this would be the pint, which is a half of the quart.
Yes.
Then this leads to half pint, which is half of the pint.
Right.
And then this is called big jill, which is half of the pint,
So-
half of the half pint.
Yes.
And this is called half of the big jill,
Right.
which is this can. So it varies in size and prices.
Okay. So when my mother used to send me go shop and say, go buy our big Jilla aisle.
You'll get
It is
this.
that one.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you say, I don't want a lot. You know, because sometimes things are not affordable. Not
Right.
everybody can buy a big jill.
Yeah.
They'll buy a half
Half
of
of the jill.
And then who can afford go to half of the pint. And who can go more than that, then they'll take a pint.
Okay.
And then bigger than this is a quart, which is two of the pints and lead to a quart.
Right. Perfectly said.
So it varies. So
Yeah.
teachers like to come in the market and get these cultural things to teach the children, because remember we change from cans to liters, meters and kilometers and so on, and grams.
Yeah, and most of the things them now we gone digital
Right.
technology take over. Yeah.
Over here we have some bitters. And this
Okay, bitters.
Me made this bitters.
Okay.
It consists of like chicken weed. You know,
Yeah.
chicken weed is very good for your system. It cleans and so on. And I have some rice bitters in it and some bitter bark.
Okay.
Very good for you.
Yes.
And we have honey,
Yeah.
long honey, pure and natural, made from the bees.
Yes.
Pure and natural.
Natural honey.
Right. And we have cane vinegar. My
Okay.
space kind of bit small, so I just utilize
Yes.
with everything, a little of everything.
You
Right
understand?
here we have the cane vinegar. You know, you use vinegar whether you want to add some hot water to it. You could drink it to lose some weight.
Yeah.
Or you could use it health-wise.
Oh,
the other
okay.
vinegar then you use to clean your areas and so on.
Yes,
But
yes.
that one is made from sugar cane.
Sugar cane. Okay, okay. Okay.
Over here I have some cinnamon sticks. Customer comes in for some cinnamon stick.
Yes.
And I'm going to introduce you. These sticks are cultural sticks and they are from the older tree. They are not going to roll and bend because they are much older. They have some sticks, 400 of them. They have some sticks that are very thin and not as old as that one.
Yeah.
But when you tear it off from the tree and you bark it from the tree, then it might roll. It's not as strong as this one. This
Yes.
one is so old so it can't even roll.
Yeah, yeah, me understand, me
So
understand.
it have more strength in it.
Yes,
Because,
yes.
you know, the older sticks are more stronger.
Oh, okay, okay.
Wide variety of herbs is on this side. Wow. Let me show you some from the Penny Royal.
Penny Royal.
I
There's,
have the Penny Royal here.
there's a lot of herbs here, my viewers. Any herbs you want, you just come here. Penny Royal.
Infection in the body, black tubes and so on. You could use this to make tea.
Oh, okay,
You could combine with other herbs like verifine, dog blood, guinea hen.
Yeah. Perfectly. Perfectly. Perfectly said, my viewers. Everything is here, my viewers. Everything is here. Yes, everything is here, my viewers. You just need to come and check Miss Bones here. Alright? Yeah. Everything is here, my viewers. Alright? Everything is here, my viewers. One turn upside down. Search me heart is over there. Whoa, search me heart is there. Oh, the leaf of life. Cat mint.
Want to look at some of these? Sometimes when I'm not here, I label the items. So if I'm not here, anyone can assist me, like my mother
Yeah.
or my son,
Okay.
or even family member or my friends could assist me by selling my stuff.
Yes. Because them have all the names. All the name is there.
So I label them.
Yeah.
And sometimes I don't got the time. This is manjo bitters.
Manjo bitters.
Manjo bitters. This is one of my favorite herbs to give children
Yeah.
for teething problem. If they have fever, any infection in the body, then I recommend this for them. It's kind of bit bitter.
Yeah.
It is very healthy.
Okay.
So they don't have any problems or any rash. Mean a lot of small bumps on them might come up, but if you give them this immune system and you don't even would recognize that they are teething, they'll
Yeah.
be so healthy and strong.
Yeah.
This is leaf of life.
Yes, leaf of life.
They're no good for mucus. First time we
Yeah.
beat the leaf of life with some salt, juice it out,
Yeah.
and just drink it for any mucus in the body that will clean it up. It's on the earth.
Scorn the hurt.
Search
Alright.
the eye.
That one is search my heart.
People comes in and whatever herbs they ask for,
Yeah.
once I have it. This is the maranga leaf.
Oh.
The maranga is like an all-purpose antibiotic. It's good for a wide variety of stuff. That's okay. A wide variety of stuff.
Yeah.
Right? You know this rosemary?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Rosemary, my viewers.
Yes. You know rosemary is very healthy. It's good for the brain.
Yeah.
It's good for the hair. It's good for the skin, and so on.
There's a lot of benefits.
Yes, on rosemary. The pimento leaf.
Oh.
I was showing you the pimento seeds before.
Yeah.
Now, and now we're doing the pimento leaf.
Yeah.
I like the pimento leaf, you could boil it and use it for tea if you have gas or a headache. This is very good for it also. And if you're a person that likes grill food, you could just throw some pimento leaves in the coal and have the fragrance up on the chicken.
Yes.
So you have the pimento flavor to your chicken.
Right.
Anything that you are jerking, whether fish, chicken, pork, whatever meal you're trying to grill.
Okay.
You get this flavor from the leaf.
Yeah, the pimento leaf.
This is thyme. Dry thyme, if you're a person that likes thyme.
Yeah.
You know, we use it as a spice, but it have also other benefits.
Yeah.
You could use thyme. Thyme is good to get rid of mucus, and if you know pain and so on, you could use this.
Yeah.
If you're having a lady that is impregnant and having problems having children or a child, then you give them some thyme tea. It's very helpful for that purpose. And
Yes.
so on. If you have like asthmatic, then you could use that. You know, catmint.
Catmint, yeah.
Catmint is very good too.
Yeah.
Trumpet leaf.
Oh yeah, I know that one. Trumpet leaf. Yeah.
You know it's good for hypertension.
Yes.
And it's good for sugar also.
Yeah.
And if you have black tubes too, you could use it. One herb has more than one use.
Yes.
So you can go the extra mile and use it for more than one purpose.
Okay.
Calabash leaves.
Oh, calabash leaf.
Each time a customer comes in and asks for a particular item, when you come back the next time or if anyone should else come and ask, I should have that item. That is how I inspire my business and have so much cultural things.
Yes.
Because once a customer comes in, I must have the item that you ask. And if I don't have it in stock, I try my best to source it for you.
Yes. Understand.
That's how I come up with some rosemary.
Rosemary.
Sweet sap leaf.
Okay, yeah. Sweet sap leaf. That one's good also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have a lot of vitamin if you have swellings and so on.
Yeah.
And you can have some of this. For instance, you're a person that has swell hand, swell foot, and the body parts are swelled. You could Google some of these, but you know, not everything is on Google.
Yeah. Wormwood. Yeah.
Wormwood, I mostly use it in tonics.
Oh, okay.
I mostly use it in my tonics, root tonic.
Yes.
This is soursop leaves. You know, soursop, it lowers cancer cells, it's good for the nerves and so on. I used to use the soursop for worm.
Yeah.
If you have worm, then you'll have a cup of soursop leaf for children mostly.
Yeah.
Then you give them a cup of tea more than once to clean their system and to get rid of the worms. But children tend to like a lot of sweets.
Okay, yeah, true.
It's just a wide variety of stuff.
Yeah.
Right here.
Wild tobacco.
Yes.
Okay.
Wild tobacco good for swellings and so on. Mucus in the body.
Yeah.
This is called marigold.
Oh, marigold.
I don't know if you all know this herb.
I hear about it.
Marigold. It's blossom yellow. Yellow flowers.
Yeah.
You know we have marigolds flowers, but we have the marigold herb too.
Oh, okay.
We mostly use this like for mucus. If you have cold and so on, poor circulation, then you can use it. It's also good if you're having like menstrual problem.
Yeah.
So you know some people have menstrual problem and won't stop. Period won't stop. Then you could use some of this to cut down the bleeding or cut off the bleeding through that cycle. For some people very heavy and they're having fibroid problems.
Yes.
So I use this.
The marigold.
The marigold herb. It's very good for a wide variety of stuff.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a lot.
There's a lot to say. And Right here I have a few. It is sage.
Sage. Oh,
You know,
yeah.
I like to burn the sage to get rid of bad energy
Okay.
and so on. You know.
Yeah.
Not all energy is good.
True. True.
I'm
True.
good, bad, and indifferent.
Yeah. Oh, okay, Miss Bones. Okay, Miss Bones.
And one of my other favorite herb over here is the guava leaf.
Oh, yeah. Guava leaf.
Papaya leaf. You could use it to clean your system, like your liver.
Yeah.
The guava leaf is very good, along with the papaya leaf. It's right in this map here. Papaya leaf is very, very healthy.
Yeah.
I like to sell my customers some of those to clean their system. People with kidney problems, bladder problems, and so on. I'm trying to find the guava leaf for you.
Okay.
This is the guava
Yeah.
leaf. Clean
Yeah.
your system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My God.
This I have fennel.
Fennel.
Because I love herbs. The more I see herbs, the more I advance in herbs.
Right.
The
True.
more I see is the more I see, and more things to illustrate on.
Yeah, true.
This is fennel.
Right.
Good for lack of appetite, drowsiness, and so on. You could use it also like a spice if you're a person that likes spicy food, like where you use like thyme and celery to spice your food. You can use it for that too.
Oh, okay.
This one is raw moon.
Ramon. Use a botanic.
Yes, you know Jamaican men on a whole, they
Yeah.
love their tonic because remember nobody not lick them down the road. They lick down everybody, and men on a whole, they don't want to stay down. They have
Right.
to
They always want to stay up.
strong. So I combine these, a lot of these things to make my tonic,
Yes.
and tell you man, these tonic are really good,
Yeah.
very good.
Magnificent.
Yes.
Yeah.
So healthy. Even myself, I drink them too because
Yes.
I'm working a lot, and it's not only for stimulation, but to keep me healthy and strong. Because to stand up on my feet and
All
to
day.
explain to my customer, not
Yeah.
all day, all week,
All week, right.
and then
right.
from week to month,
Yeah.
then
yeah,
to years.
Yeah. Okay.
So I
Okay.
have to intake them too.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Miss Bones. Thank you
And
very
you
much.
know we have the sea moss. It's over here, and we have 92% of minerals,
Yeah.
which the body needed. So
Sea moss. That is the sea moss, my people, my viewers. If you need sea moss, come right here. Yeah.
yes.
How much
And you
minerals
know-
it have?
Pardon me?
How much minerals it have?
92% of minerals
Yeah.
which the body needed. And what I do, like I have customers that losing weight and they need energy, then I invite them to a combination of some sarsaparilla,
Yeah.
some cinnamon, and some flaxseed. Boil that out, strain it off, add it to your sea moss with some isinglass,
Yeah.
marabit, and your sea moss.
Okay.
Boil those together along with the water that you boil from the sarsaparilla, the cinnamon, and the flaxseed, and add it to your sea moss
Yes.
with the isinglass and the gomara bit. Boiled again,
Yeah.
and then blend, spice with your honey, a little vanilla, and some molasses. Give you more health.
Yeah, that
more
is
strength.
powerful.
It's like you're building your system.
Yeah.
To help you to get on your energy back.
Understand.
To lose.
These red seeds here,
It's called annatto.
Anata.
It's one of our culture food coloring, like
Yes.
curry
Yes.
or like browning.
Yes.
But this is not properly dried, so I'm trying to get it dried
Okay.
properly, because if I don't bag them dried, then they'll have mold on it.
Yes.
And nobody wants to eat anything with
Yes, with the mold.
you know.
Understand.
Then
Yeah.
use that. Even in the sea moss drink, you could add some of this. It's an artificial flavor. It is called rose
water.
water and halman.
Alman.
It is something like vanilla, but it's not vanilla.
Okay.
And it have a greater flavor than vanilla.
Yeah.
The only way for you to know unless you try.
Okay. So
Try this flavor.
you make it?
No.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Remember, I go the extra mile.
I understand.
To get
Yes, yes, yes,
items
yes,
for
yes,
my
yes,
customer
yes.
to run the business.
Mhm.
And if I have one customer that comes, it is a traditional spice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's much older than I do.
Okay. Stronger than the vanilla.
Yes, have a
Okay.
greater flavor than the vanilla. Over here we have a lot of spice. But today I'm trying to clean this area to repack, but you know,
Oh,
a lot of work to do. But
Yes.
hard work leads to success.
true, 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 true. I can see this having a lot of seeds.
This is chili pepper.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
chili pepper. Pepper in a preservative form.
yeah.
And you could have it like that. It's flakes pepper.
Mhm.
This is one of my favorite spice. It have more than one shade, but this is the shade I have in stock today.
Yes.
Some of the chili pepper is in this. You have pimento seeds in it. You have thyme, you have garlic, and so on in this rounded out. And this is called jerk season. It's a Jamaican traditional jerk
Yes.
made from everything pure and natural. They have a great flavor. You could
Yeah.
use it to jerk, you could use it to cook, you could use it to fry. If you're doing, although it is called jerk,
Can use it to
use
anything.
on any of your food that you, if you're even doing vegetables, you
Yeah.
could spice a vegetable with this because it's just pimento, it's thyme,
Yes.
it's celery, and garlic in this one ingredient.
Oh, okay.
So let your smell be your taste by having some of this spice. This is one of my favorite spice.
Okay.
And along with this, you know, that's egg powder,
Yeah.
all-purpose seasoning, cinnamon powder. If you're a person that doing your baking,
Cinnamon powder.
yes.
Looking good.
Remember, you could use the cinnamon for the nerves also.
Yes.
It's a good thing to use on your nerves. You could make some cinnamon tea or so flavored water, boil it, strain it off, and just drink some cinnamon water. It's lowering your pressure. If you're a person that has pressure and it's bothering you, then you could have some cinnamon.
Okay.
Or have more things that you could use for that. Like even neem. Neem is kind of a bit bitter. And the cinnamon, some cucumber. I like this one because this one could work with even antibiotics if you are taking like cucumber, celery, and some ginger, small piece of ginger.
Yeah.
Then you just extract or grater that one cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, and a small piece of ginger.
Okay.
And whatever juice you get from the one cucumber, the celery, and the ginger, you take that 2 times a day.
Oh.
And that's good for one of the worst high blood pressure if you have
Okay,
it, or
okay,
sugar. It's
okay.
so simple.
Yes.
But simple trash blind eyes.
Mhm.
And if you're even on antibiotic, I don't think any doctor is stopping any patient from intaking
Right,
vegetables
right,
with their antibiotics. So
Yes.
it's very healthy.
Yes.
If you want to check this method for yourself, please check your pressure right now. And then get a cucumber, do the method, and then drink that portion 2
Yeah.
times a day. And after 2 days, recheck back your pressure
Yeah.
and see how it works for you.
It gone down.
Yes. And then drink a lot of water. And once you feel like you want to go to the bathroom, please, my followers and friends, go to the bathroom because you're get rid of
Right.
the toxin. And once you keep your urine or your feces and a whole, you are keeping the problem. So
Yeah,
go
yeah.
straight to the bathroom. Even myself, sometimes I have customer, I can't rush to the bathroom like
Yeah,
how I
have to
want
wait.
to. But you have to practice.
True.
Practice is an habit.
Yeah.
Alright, and then that will help you to get rid of some of the pressure or sugar problems.
Okay, okay, okay.
And even keeping that urine, also it bothers your urinary tract,
Yeah.
bother your kidney,
Bladder.
your bladder, and your
Yeah.
liver also.
Yes,
So
yes.
you have to practice by start doing those simple things to help yourself to keep healthy and strong. Right.
Yes, true. Yes, Dr. Bones. Yeah. That's it. Perfect. Perfect said. Okay, Miss Bones. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Jamaican Farmers Hut. My viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. But check Miss Bones here if you want anything. Look, there's a lot of things here, my viewers. Everything is here. Everything you can think of. If you want to cook, there's the pot. If you want the food into the pot, there's the food. Everything is here. So my viewers and subscribers, don't forget to check Miss Bones.
Come to the marketplace. Sometimes, you know, people, they might say because it happened, and you have some people that definitely want to find me in person, even to meet me in person. And there are some people saying I am not here.
Yeah.
I am always here.
Always here.
And my number is 1-876-446-3268. If you called and you don't get me, please call again.
Thank
you'll get me in person.
Right.
They might say I am not here, it happened, and that's why I am telling my friends that I am here, but they are kind of it.
Yeah, me understand. I understand the lessons.
So
Okay.
please, don't stop until you find Bones. Remember, money is not all, but it's the love of the people.
True. True. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, you hear it from Miss Bones, all right? So come and get anything you want. Everything is here. So don't be afraid to visit Miss Bone inside the market here. The Charles Golden. Oh, Charles Garden Market. All right? Yeah, all right. My viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the sign on the outside. Yeah. Oh, okay, my viewers, that is the sign. You can't miss, and she's at the right, at the door, the first gate.
As you come in the car park.
Right. Okay, as I come into the car park, the car park here. All right. Yeah, my viewers. So stick around, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Peace. My name is Ever Slick, and I'm out.